Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back when I hit on a smash up banger. You already know what time it is. Yeah, guys, we're back in the music lab with another one. Yeah, today we are back with an artist. I'm not sure if I featured this one. One of them is no stranger to the channel. Okay, today we got a banger from Deep Jahi and Chronic Law, and this one's called Heart of a Sinner. Now, Chronic Law is no stranger to the channel. Deep Jahi, I'm not sure if we reacted to him. We probably have, but I gotta go back and check. But yeah, man. Yeah, so these two collab drop a new track called Heart of a Sinner. We're gonna check it out and see what go on. Deep Jahi, really good artist. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar. Chronic Law, dope artist, very lyrical and talented. Y'all know that as well. Yeah, and they collab, make a song called Heart of a Sinner. I'm hoping it's a good track. We're gonna check it out, see what go on. Don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, you don't know, you're in tune to the latest, maddest, dopest, sickest reaction channel on YouTube. You know what I'm saying, guys, and you don't know. Boy, hungry, and I'm trying to eat, so I'm gonna need a sub. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Goal, I'm trying to get 100. You know, we're trying to get 100 likes on this video. You know what I'm saying? Not much, just hit the like button, subscribe button. That's not all of the Bible slang, God. You feel me? This is Deep Jahi and Chronic Law, Heart of a Sinner. You know, we're gonna check it out and see what go on today, guys. We're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. Let's jump right in the track. Let's get it.
Hello. Yes, indeed. Cause a lot of things going on in the past, and some might be not proud about the same way, but here I come before thee as a sinner.
One love,
you know, bleeding
midnight.
Hello. It's me, talking as a sinner, praying to you earnestly.
Easy now, man. Yo, dog can't sing, you know. You see me, DJ down there, talented, you know, that the man can't sing, can hold a note, you know what I'm saying? Like I've started, you see me, the one that looks like it's gonna be a very soulful track. Let's get it.
It's cold and freezing, talking as a sinner, begging you forgiveness, please.
Yeah, Father God, me have it for me, and me know you know. Me nah go bring in no circles and the roundabout. Strap full of dope if my family nah no proud.
Easy now, man. Father God, know me have it for me, and me know you know. You know what I'm saying? But you don't know. We just try to protect yourself and not try to do no foolishness. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Them fi ever know when me a do one night time with the berry pa me belly keep well overload. Me no feel a polo, me feel a soldier clothes all my life. All my life me only know the.
Oh, they don't know me do the berry a night time in a polo, but me feel a soldier clothes. Yeah, talk to the man. You see me dog, but I will have me a militant in the street dog and yo, come here.
Road. Yo, what badness I'm only code.
My past me not proud of, but me have you for guidance. My heart is in favor of you. Still me fall many times, and the way that it
easy now, man, yo. This is a real track, people. I know anything about that one. That one is a real track. Come in, man.
Cool world, me start to climatize. I can't be a fool of a jam many lines. Hello, it's me, talking as a sinner, praying to you.
Easy now, man. It's hello, it's me, talking as a sinner. Man, I pray to God. You see me and say, yo, come on.
Earnestly, it's cold and freezing, praying as a sinner, hoping you remember me.
You know, man, that I pray to God. I say, yo, me I come out as a sinner, you know. You see me? Yo, me I come to you honestly. Just I hope you can remember me, because man I say, yo, basically, yo, we all long him not stray from the right, and long you know pray to God in my hope say, yo, the whole God can remember me, you know. God never forget you that. You see me? Now God not left you. Come in.
Father God, that this come to. Enemies are hunt and nobody fi run to. Police are war criminal in the jungle. Them a carry gun, so me have to carry gun too. Tell you.
So easy now, man. Tell them.
About beef, kind of things say a steak. Better eat sleep and no quint when you wake. Try keep the peace, but the peace keep me safe. Life never cheap, me will rinse this for the
Try keep the peace, but the peace keep me safe. Come on, Jaja.
The street, but my dark and never, but me smart and clever. Brother chant one prayer, play swam. So
the streets make me dark and differ, but me smart and clever.
we lucky for am like treasure. Police and soldier, the corporal there. Bible there, finger pan trigger. Foot the pan pedal, me know what me in. Nobody can judge me the
Bible there, finger pan trigger, foot the pan pedal. Come, you know what I mean?
Well, we are sinner when my prayers end up. Remember the killer.
Hello, it's me, talking as a sinner, praying to you earnestly. It's cold and freezing, praying as a sinner, hoping you remember me.
Father got me up.
Yo, this mad people. I mean, what y'all think about this one? This a dope ass track, bro. Chronicle, Deep Jahi, Heart of a Sinner. That one is a soulful. Yo, that can't sing, you know. Who that dog man like? Oh, Ghana sing. Who that's a dog with mine now? Dog can't see, my dog, let's do the thing.
Father God, that this come to. When I go bring in on the circles and the roundabout. So me have to carry gun to. It's true, mama dark and never.
Balla, mad tune people. One thing about the one there. Yeah, man, that's a dope track, man. That's a definitely dope track, guys. I definitely want to go show the artist some love and support. You know what I'm saying? Let them know Jambisco dancing. Guys, let me know anything about that one in the comment section. Drop no emojis, man. Let me see fire garbage kind of emoji. What do you think about that one there? I'm thinking on the money, you know. See me, that's a good collab. You know what I'm saying? Deep Jahi and Chronicle. Deep Jahi very talented, can sing for real. You know what I'm saying? Can hit them notes, the dog, and he got that soulful feel, make you feel the music. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Read that one, man. Deep Jahi, Chronicle, keep doing your thing. Keep doing it for the culture. You don't know people. Go show the artists them some love and support. Making sure Jambisco dance. Send them, they know the Jambisco dance army lit and strong over here. You don't know. Yeah, man, that was a dope track. Deep Jahi, Chronicle, Heart of a Sinner. Yeah, did your thing. Guys, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. It's your boy Jambisco. Let me know what you're going to react to next. Don't have to be music, can be anything else. Let me know what you're going to react to next. I'll get it done. Don't know it's boy Jambisco. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.